In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign in to Microsoft Teams more permanently. If you're tired of typing your credentials every time you open Teams, this walkthrough will help you stay signed in so you can get to your chats and meetings faster. The process is simple, and I'll add a few helpful notes so you understand what's happening behind the scenes. First, open Microsoft Teams. This can be the desktop app you've installed on your computer or the web version if that's how you usually access it. Give it a moment to load so it can reach the sign-in screen. Next, enter your email and your password. Make sure you use the account that your organization or subscription uses for Teams. Type carefully to avoid lockouts from too many failed attempts. If your organization uses additional security, like multi-factor authentication, you may be asked to approve a sign-in or enter a code. Go ahead and complete that as you normally would. After you've signed in, you may see a prompt that says, "Stay signed in?" or "Keep me signed in." Choose Yes. This is the key to reducing how often you have to sign in. Saying yes lets Teams remember your session securely, so you don't have to repeat the process every time you open the app. On the web, this relies on your browser keeping a trusted session. In the desktop app, it stores your session so it can automatically reconnect when you relaunch Teams. A quick tip here. Use this option only on devices you trust. If you're on a shared or public computer, it's better to say no and sign out when you're finished to protect your account. On your personal or work-issued device, choosing yes helps you get back into Teams quickly without extra prompts. If you don't see the Stay Signed In message, don't worry. Some organizations manage this setting for you, so you might already be kept signed in automatically. In other cases, security policies may require you to sign in more often. That's normal and controlled by your administrator. Once you've chosen to stay signed in, you should notice that opening Teams later is much faster. You'll go straight to your chats, calls, and meetings without re-entering your details. That's all there is to it. Open Microsoft Teams, enter your email and password, and when you're asked to stay signed in, choose Yes. It's a small step that saves time every day while still respecting your organization's security settings. Thanks for watching, and enjoy a smoother start each time you use Teams.